If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can insert Sparklines into worksheets in Excel to illustrate changes to data values in a column or row of contiguous worksheet cells. A sparkline is basically a mini chart that appears within a single selected worksheet cell and displays selected cell values as a trend line, columns, or a win-loss series. To create a sparkline in Excel, first select the cell within which to show the sparkline. Often, this is the cell at the end of a column or row of data values that you want to visually illustrate. Then click the desired type of sparkline to insert into the cell by clicking the Line, Column, or Win-Loss button within the Sparklines button group on the Insert tab of the ribbon. In the Create Sparklines dialog box that then appears, click into the Data Range field. Then click and drag over the worksheet cells whose values you wish to show in the sparkline. The cells you select, which contain the values to show in the sparkline, must be adjacent to each other and in the order you want them shown within the sparkline. After selecting the cells, note that the Location Range field displays a reference to the initially selected cell in the worksheet. This is the cell that will contain the sparkline. You can change this value if needed. After making your selections, click the OK button within the dialog box to insert a sparkline of the selected type into your worksheet. To create multiple sparklines at once in an Excel worksheet, which is called a sparkline group, first select the cells that contain the values to show within the sparkline. Then click either the Line, Column, or Win-Loss button within the Sparklines button group on the Insert tab of the ribbon. Within the Create Sparklines dialog box, click into the Location Range field. Then select the cell range within the worksheet where you want the sparklines of the initially selected data to appear. Then click the OK button to insert the sparkline group for the selected data into the chosen location. To delete sparklines, select a sparkline to delete. Then click the Sparkline Contextual tab in the ribbon if needed. Then click the drop-down arrow to the right of the Clear button within the Group button group. From the drop-down menu that appears, select either the Clear Selected Sparklines command to delete the selected sparkline, or choose the Delete Selected Sparkline Groups command to delete the selected sparkline group. Note that directly clicking the Clear button instead only deletes the selected sparkline, not the entire sparkline group. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.